Girl Child by Anne Ajulu Okungu. I am a girl child, a child of more worlds than one, none my own. The world of my mother, a not so able assistant, indispensable yet unappreciated. I have to grow into a responsible woman, trained to be a good wife to a future husband, a bringer of breadwealth to my father, and the sooner the better. To my brothers, an extension of mom. Cook, clean, do their bidding. Learn how to take care of everybody around in preparation for my future family. To the feminists, an item of discussion during the numerous affirmative action meetings. Faceless, just a statistic. Just one of the many abused, neglected, marginalized. Over my plight, proposal after proposal, written to raise funds. Not a coin guess to me. Why can't you all let me be me? To dream my own dreams, make my own mistakes, wade in the mud of life, my way. I wish to be left alone, just to be a girl and a child.